You might be wondering, why should I make investing in myself a top priority? Investing in yourself is an important step toward leveling up your lifestyle. But where to start? It can seem intimidating when you're in debt or don't have much cash to spare. However, even the smallest investment in yourself can give you the biggest returns later down the road. If you're trying to invest in yourself today, these 10 ways to invest in yourself will show you where to start. Before we jump in, you are watching the Bloom Today YouTube channel. We are here to inspire you to level up your lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get all our updates. Here are 10 ways to invest in yourself today. Number 10. Learn a new skill. The business world is rapidly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on new developments such as technology, health, and trends. Knowing how to use new software can help you remain up to date and ensure that you will have a skill set that's marketable for years to come. You don't need any formal training or degree, simply dive into online tutorials and practice. You can even use our Bloom Today channel to learn new skills and knowledge in just 8 minutes a day. Learning a new skill is incredibly valuable, and once it is stored in your brain, you can use it to your advantage. Number 9. Take up a new hobby. This doesn't have to be anything too serious. It could just be taking up a new activity such as surfing, dancing, painting, trampolining, or volunteering. The important thing is that you do something you truly enjoy and take time each week for yourself and invest in your well-being. Preferably, you can take 20 minutes a day to spend on your hobby and just get creative without any expectations. You can decide to be part of a group or spend time by yourself. Being part of a group will help you to connect with like-minded people, but spending time by yourself should never be underestimated. Just try a few new hobbies and see which one you like best. Number 8. Start planning your next travel. Traveling is a great way to invest in yourself because of many reasons. It helps you to be more adventurous, explore new cultures, and empowers you to step out of your comfort zone. It also improves your mental and physical health. Planning your next travel can be a little overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. But some questions will help. Where would you like to go? What activities interest you? Do you want to spend time in nature or in the city? How much time can you take off? Once you answer these questions, it becomes easier to begin planning the trip of a lifetime. The key is to take baby steps and enjoy the process. Number 7. Start working out. Exercise is one of the best ways to invest in yourself. It increases endorphins, which is a natural mood enhancer. It helps you to rejuvenate your body and stay healthy. You don't believe us? Just get moving and see for yourself. Your endorphin levels will spike within minutes of exercising, meaning you won't just feel good, you will also look good. Research even shows that people who regularly work out report higher levels of happiness. So if you want to be happier and more attractive, just hit the gym or go for a run today. It's as simple as that. Number 6. Go out with friends. If you are like most people, you likely spend most of your free time with friends. So, take some time today to invest in yourself by hanging out with good company and doing something fun. Go on a hike or a bike ride, play a game of basketball, or go on a leisurely walk around your neighborhood. Whatever it is that you enjoy doing, do it with someone you enjoy hanging out with. This time spent socializing is not only an investment for yourself but also for your relationships. Number 5. Get rid of stuff you don't need. It's tempting to hold on to old stuff. That could be anything you haven't used in years. If it's something you can sell, clean it up and list it online. Even better, sell your stuff on eBay or Craigslist. You can also donate things you don't need anymore. Just make sure they go somewhere where someone will actually use them. This is an especially good idea if you have clothing that no longer fits and is still in good condition. Decluttering your environment, whether it is your garage, bedroom, or kitchen, also helps you to declutter your mind. A calm space has a positive impact on your mental state. The less useless stuff you own, the better you will feel. Number 4. Work on your blog/website. These days, our online identity is just as important as, if not more important than, our real-life reputation. That's why it's essential to invest time and money into building your online presence. Think of it like a business card. People will be able to find you through your website no matter where you are. Make sure that when people visit, they're blown away by your professionalism and expertise. If you don't have any experience with web design or blogging, there are plenty of reasonable-priced do-it-yourself platforms that help you to build a website in just a few hours. We will link them for you in the caption below. Number 3. Join an online program. The vast majority of people invest money in minor things that give them a short-term feeling of fulfillment, such as new clothing or a new phone. However, a small group of people understand that investing their money in personal development is the long-term solution. Learning new skills and knowledge will help you to level up your lifestyle, and it will prime you for success in all areas of your life. The more knowledge you have about your body, mind, and soul, the greater return you will get from the investment you'll make in yourself today. Number 2. Book a fun trip. There's no need to wait for a milestone birthday or other big date on your calendar to treat yourself. Book a trip that you would have never booked otherwise, such as a luxury retreat, or go for that nature hike that you wanted to do for so long. Stay in a cozy hotel room all weekend and switch off your phone, or go to the spa and book a massage. Treat yourself, because it will make you feel more confident. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential. We can only be our best selves if we take care of ourselves first. Number 1. Find a mentor. A professional mentor can be a huge help, especially if you feel stuck. Your mentor should be someone who's successfully in what you desire to accomplish. Ask your mentors for feedback on ideas, strategies, and opportunities, but also let them know what you need from them. Success leaves clues, so if you can be mentored by the best in your field, you will also see results happening quickly. You can also start following inspiring people and see how they create a successful life. You don't have to be coached one-on-one by someone to be able to learn from them. Try to observe what they do and try to apply it to your own life. So these are 10 great recommendations for investing in yourself. We hope you got inspired by this video to level up your lifestyle. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Please join our awesome community by subscribing now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updates on our latest videos. We see you in the next video.